What's up everybody, it's Josh from Blackout Tinting and we are here with a really cool car. This car belongs to Justin from HorsePower Obsessed. He has a really great YouTube channel with a bunch of car content, so check that out for sure. But what we are doing today, Justin called us last week. He said, hey, I got this new car and I want to get it protected. Smart move, Justin. What we're going to do on this thing is, I love this car. He's got the front splitter with the extra, I don't even know, the extra aero package on the side, all carbon fiber, beautiful car. We're protecting all of that, so we're gonna do the front splitter, the extra aero, as well as the front bumper cover, the headlights, and the mirrors, and the rocker panel kit. So the rocker panel kit will cover basically this lower part of the car, as well as this piece. And if you have a Z06 or a C7 Corvette that has this piece, you know that this gets beat up really badly. So he's being smart, we're gonna take care of that. We're also gonna protect the carbon fiber side skirts and the entire rear fenders. Again, this area gets beat up very badly on Corvettes. We're gonna make sure that that doesn't happen by wrapping this entire thing with XPEL. We're gonna tint the windows on the ZR1 as well, so we're deciding to do a ceramic window tint from XPEL. That's the Prime XR series. And we're gonna do everything except for the windshield on this thing. It's gonna look awesome. It's gonna keep a lot of heat out and help Justin stay a lot more comfortable in the car. We're really excited to get this thing protected for Justin. Thank you again, Justin, for trusting us with the car. But my favorite part, I have to show you guys, the best part about this entire thing, and I know he agrees with me, is it's a freaking manual. That makes me so happy. Those of you that know me know that my Gallardo is a manual. I searched for a long time to find a manual. I love manuals. He even has a bracelet that says save the manuals. Please help us both save the manuals.
Guys, this is Josh, owner of Blackout Tinting. He has done my cars in the past, but this is the first time I've had him do any kind of paint protection. And I'm gonna let him go over the car, tell you what he did and how hard it was, I guess.
Cool. So the real challenge with this car is it's black. We do a ton of Corvettes, but jet black is always tough to get perfect, but we got it really, really close. So we did the front bumper. We protected this with XPEL Ultimate Plus. We did the headlights. We ended up doing the full hood as well, and the carbon inserts in the hood. We did all of the aero package on the front, all the carbon fiber stuff, including this outside piece here, so that's all protected. We did the rocker panel piece, so that includes the black piece that goes there, all the way to the back with this trim piece. The trim gets covered as well as the carbon side skirt. We did the entire rear fender, which that helps a lot if you know Corvettes at all, you know, especially Z06s and things. This area gets beat up really, really badly. So we got that taken care of. We also did the carbon accents on top of the fender, since that's part of the XPEL rear fender kit. We did the mirrors as well. And I think there's a whole bunch of pieces. I think that's everything.
How about the window tint?
We did tint as well, yes, thank you, Justin. So we did ceramic Prime XR. It's an XPEL product designed to keep a lot of heat from coming into the car, keep you a lot more comfortable, help the AC run more effectively. We did a 20% film all the way around, and on the back we have the Corvette flags up on the top, and in order to get the tint to lay down in there a little bit better, we did a vinyl piece to sort of mask that. Tint has a tendency to not want to stick in between those flags. Vinyl does it a little bit better. All right, so we just finished up Justin from HorsePower Obsessed ZR1. Justin, how does it look?
It looks phenomenal, guys. You did a fantastic job. I appreciate it so much.
Awesome, thank you very much. So that ends our segment with Justin. Make sure you check out HorsePower Obsessed. Like and subscribe his stuff. Like and subscribe our stuff. Thanks very much.